Welcome to the TxPROS tutorial, using the amend feature in TxPROS. This video was produced by the Texas Department of Motor Vehicles, Motor Carrier Division for users of the Texas Permitting and Routing Optimization System, also known as TxPROS. Customers can call the permit office to request changes to their permit. However, this option is only available during regular business hours. TxPROS offers a convenient feature that allows customers to amend certain items on an issued permit without contacting the permit office. This feature is available 24 hours a day. It can only be used on permits with an issued status, and customers are allowed one amendment per permit. From the dashboard, locate the permit you want to amend. We will start by selecting this first permit number. Click Select in the Action column, then choose Amend Permit. The Amend Permit option will only appear if the permit is eligible for amendment. The Customer Self-Service Amend dialog box will open. The fields available for amendment may vary depending on the type of permit. This means the dialog box may look slightly different based on the permit type. Any field that is visible and not grayed out can be amended by the customer. Just like in other areas of TxPROS, help bubbles are available to guide you through the process. These provide useful information to ensure you can complete the amendment correctly and efficiently. In this example, we will make a few changes to the permit. We are going to extend the permit by 5 additional days and update the truck information due to an equipment breakdown. Pay close attention to the Change Permit Contact Information section. This area shows the primary delivery method, along with any additional delivery methods, where the amended permit will be automatically sent once the amendment is finalized. If you need the amended permit to go to a different destination than the original, be sure to update the delivery method. For example, this permit was originally set to be sent only by email to the address shown. We will now add a fax delivery as well. Click the Additional Delivery Method drop-down, select Fax, and then enter the fax number where you want the amended permit to be delivered. Once all changes have been made, you must attest that amending the permit will replace and invalidate the original. You are also confirming that the amendment is due to inclement weather, a truck or trailer breakdown, or to correct an error in the original permit application. Below the attest statement, you will see a notice reminding you to contact the permit office if you need to amend any items not available on this screen. Remember, the self-service amend feature can only be used once per permit. If you need to make any additional changes after submitting this amendment, you must contact the permit office directly. If you decide not to proceed with the changes, click Cancel. If you are ready to amend the permit, click Submit All Permit Changes. A confirmation dialog box will appear showing the changes you have requested. Click Cancel to return to the previous screen without submitting, or click OK to continue. The Permit Operating Authority section will then update, showing whether the US DOT number has been successfully validated. Press Submit again to finalize the amendment. One more confirmation dialog will appear. Click Cancel to go back or OK to complete the amendment. If the end date you selected is earlier than the latest date allowed, a message will appear showing the correct latest end date. You can update the new end date in the section above or simply press Submit again to proceed with the current selection. Once your changes are confirmed, a red notice will appear at the bottom of the screen indicating that the amendment is complete. Remember, TxPROS only allows one amendment per permit. If you attempt to amend the same permit again, you will see a message stating that the permit is not available for amendment. This concludes the tutorial on using the Amend Permit feature in TxPROS. For more information and additional tutorial videos, visit the Texas Department of Motor Vehicles website at www.txdmv.gov and enter the keyword TxPROS.